Ace is the place with the helpful hardware, folks.
Get started on your spring projects during the Ace Buy One Get One Free sale, going on now through April 23rd at E&H Ace Hardware in Kamm's Corners. Buy Scott's Turf Builder Weed and Feed and get Scott's Turf Builder Lawn Food for free. Get a jump on weeds. Buy Roundup ready-to-use weed and grass killer pump and get the Roundup refill free. For all of your home improvement needs, see the experts at E&H Ace Hardware in Kamm's Corners, 3780 Rocky River Drive in Cleveland.